All right, here we have Leanne, and she came to see us about a month ago. She was suffering from a condition called fibromyalgia, which causes brain fog, neck pain, back pain, joint pain in all four quadrants of the body, fatigue, and then we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling program last month. So 1 month later, how are all the fibromyalgia symptoms doing? Let's start with the brain, neck, and work from the top down.
Okay, so I only had one migraine before I had a lot more.
Okay.
And that could have just been because the injection was right in the muscle that
Yeah.
a neurologist told me causes it.
Yeah.
And haven't had one since.
Mm-hmm.
No neck pain, and normally I always had neck pain daily. My muscles and stuff are doing much better.
Okay, not as tender.
Yeah. My hips still hurt, but you know.
It's only been a month.
It's only been a month. My knee, I've had no sharp pain, which I was getting before.
Wow.
And so that's really good. After I think it was about a week, all of a sudden I got a lot more energy.
I noticed that.
My mind felt
Good.
clear.
All right.
And all that stuff, and I was feeling much happier about everything.
Now, how long have you had these fibromyalgia symptoms for?
Probably since I was 28.
Wow.
From a car accident.
Wow. That's, like I said, the root cause of fibromyalgia, let's look at the nerve chart, is some type of accident or trauma to the cervical spine. And what that it damages these upper cervical meningeal nerves. See, they go up to the head, causing brain fog and headaches. And because it's a C1 vertebra that affects the main spinal cord, it can affect the whole body. That's why most fibro patients have pain in all four quadrants of the body, like you. But now that the stem cell and laser is regenerating normal nerve function, decreasing the inflammation, it's kind of like putting less pressure on the nerve, and now the nerves could flow normally. And
I still get a bit of brain fog, but not as often.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I mean, if you had this for 30, 40 years.
Well, the brain fog that came about when I got a concussion here about 5 years that I noticed it because of the concussion, and it didn't seem to be clearing up at all. And it was like anytime I was tired and I'd get brain fog.
So how many percent better do you feel just 1 month later?
Oh, except for the hip part?
Yeah.
Oh, God, like 70-80% better. Like I've had normally, you can touch here, you'd be sore and stuff like that.
That's incredible, because you had this 40 years or so.
Yes.
And to reverse it in a month is incredible, just because we know the root cause is the upper neck nerves. So just, getting normal nerve function, right? So what we're gonna do, we did the magnet therapy just to calm your nerves today.
And that did help my hips. Like they've been hurting a lot since.
You're doing your home light to keep the stem cells stimulated.
I'm doing that.
That's great.
The light thing all the time.
All right. And we'll schedule for another follow-up just to monitor your progress. Congratulations.
Oh, I'm so thrilled.
Yeah. Like I said, fibromyalgia is one of the most difficult things to treat because it causes symptoms in all parts of your body. But like I said, you get to the root cause of it and treat it properly, then you get the results. Right.
Well, I was only told once before until I saw you.
Yeah.
What was it, 30 years ago? After that car accident, which was like somebody pushed me into the car in front of me, so it was back, forth. And a neurologist, I think a couple years after that, said, "Oh, you have fibromyalgia," but it was not viewed as anything real back then.
Exactly. Just a group of symptoms.
Oh, the other doctor said fibromyalgia just means muscle pain. It's nothing. So when I was first told, I was told there's nothing you can do about it. So I never really looked into it or thought about it.
Or they say it's all in your head, which it is. It's the upper neck part of your head.
Well, it is. I went to a psychiatrist back there and wondering why am I not getting better?
Yeah, exactly.
And that guy told me go home and have babies. And I'm like, it's back when people didn't think women wanted to do anything. So, I'm doing much better physically. I mean, I haven't been using the ice packs, and normally I was nonstop ice packs, moving around from up here, down here, up here, down here. So, till I overdid it because I was doing so well.
You going back to Canada anytime soon?
end of April.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're one of our snowbird patients.
Yes.
We get to treat you when you're in town here in the desert. Now you can go back with less or no pain, and we'll keep on monitoring your progress. Congratulations.
Oh, I've been telling everybody about this, and I have another friend that's been going to the same pain clinic as me that sometimes comes here because her parents are snowbirds, and she wanted to know about. I told her I was on the magnet. Yeah. She has a magnet mat. She's in way worse shape than me. Yeah. Then she wanted to know about the red light therapy. So she'll probably come next time she's in town to check you out.
Great.
Yeah.
Well, we'll schedule another maintenance treatment. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.